Hello, this is Kursat. I'm a research assistant from Istanbul Technical University. I will try to show you how to import a block model into SimSched and investigate the different scenarios in terms of net present value of a project. In order to import the model into SimSched, we need to find block indices. In order to do that, we need to use this formula. And then we need to calculate the economic values of the processes, which are processing and waste dump. And in order to do that, we should use these formulas. After calculate them, we need to save the file as a CSV file, which at least need to contain block indices, grades, density, and economic values of the operations. And then we need to run the algorithm in order to start the program. And then we need to import our model into SimSched. We should find the R file, which is here. Next, you can check your values about blocks. You need to mark the proper values with the proper headers. In this case, we need to mark the grade value of the copper, which with this grade button and silver grade button, and all the other headers are properly marked. And then click next. We need to either specify the block dimensions, which are 30 meters, and we need to select the units of the copper and the silver, percent for copper and ppm for silver. And then we need to click schedule button. We need to specify the default density value, default slope angle, discount rate 10%. We will use direct block schedule method. We need to specify the destinations. In order to add the process, we need to click the button. Our copper recovery is 88% and silver recovery is 6%. And this is an economic value process A operation, and we need to add a dump. With this button, we need to specify any recovery here, and we need to specify economic value, waste, and then production constraints. We have 60 million tons per year material replacement with we inserted, and we assume that we have 10 million tons per year capacity in our process plant. We don't have any limit on dump site, and if we want to divide our production into operational constraints are the minimum mining and bottom width and vertical rate of advance. You can specify these constraints, and then say if you can look all of the constraints of your scenario in this overview screen, and you click run button for schedule. SimSched gives us two different reports, which are one of them is in Excel format. It represents the production limits of the period and net present value of the periods separately and cumulatively. As you can see, we have about $160 million net present value in our project with that. According to that scenario, you can see the model according to production periods with different colors. You can see the end of the different periods by filter of the block model. This is the end of the first period. This is the end of the second period, and so on.